On Monday, February 13, 2023, a strong earthquake hit southeastern Turkey, near Syria's border, killing over 3,000 people. The initial quake was followed by another powerful one about 12 hours later. The U.S. Geological Survey reported that the first quake had a 7.8 magnitude, making it one of the largest ever recorded in Turkey. The second quake had a magnitude of 7.5. Thousands of buildings across both Turkey and Syria collapsed, and many thousands of people were injured. Many of the victims are in war-torn northern Syria, where millions of refugees live in camps on both sides of the border with Turkey. Dozens of fatalities have been reported in rebel-held areas. Rescuers have been combing through the rubble in freezing and snowy conditions to find survivors.